What's going on, everybody? Thanks for checking out this video. My name is MarkLar1, and today we've got my E46 BMW. The car just died on me, and my car started sputtering a little bit. I wouldn't say sputtering, it felt like it had a misfire. So I pulled out my phone, checked my OBD2 sensor app, and it said I had a couple different lean codes. And the misfire in the engine seemed to be getting worse and worse. I was just sitting there idling, and then eventually the engine died. When I start the car up, it runs for a second and then it dies, and then I start it up and it runs for even a short amount of time, then it dies, and then eventually I start just cranking the engine and it won't even start up. So I believe that is the symptoms of a faulty fuel pump. So here we go, starting it up now. Wouldn't even catch, wouldn't even take there. Alright, so bad fuel pump, those are the symptoms. Let's get it fixed. Just slide it to the left. That's it. do the good old trusty test, right? Get down on there and listen. See if you can hear the pump priming. No, put the camera down. Yes. Oh yes. Hey baby. Hey baby. That's how you fix the fuel pump. All right, cool. Thank you very much.